Hey everyone, how you doing? Gil here with Graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about animal feed for the winter for your animals. Now some of you are going to say, well, I don't have any animals, I live in the city. You got a pet, a dog, a cat, a bird, a fish, an iguana? Do you have any sort of pets at all? If you don't, cool. All right, guys. Thank you for watching so far. I'll wander off and just let it play and give me the watch time. But if you do have a pet or an animal or chickens or anything else, think about making sure you have plenty enough food for them for the winter. Because times may happen where you may get, if you're up in the north, you may get snowed in. Or if you're down south, they may have real bad rainstorms and stuff, and areas are flooded, and you can't get to the store to get the supplies you need for your animals. All right. Remember, they're parts of your family too. Alrighty. One other thing here: if you're not subscribed to the channel, now's a great time to click this little button down below here that says subscribe on it. Then you click that little down arrow, and that'll bring up the notification bell. You hit that, and that means you'll get notified whenever I post a video. You won't get any advertisements coming to you for clicking that button, and it doesn't cost you a thing. Also, if you could give me a thumbs up, everybody, that helps me out with YouTube's analytics, and put a comment down below, something positive or nice or simple. Gee, I didn't think about that before. All works good. All helps me out with YouTube's analytics. One of the reasons I'm doing this is because I'm selfish about my preps. I want to keep them, so I want everybody else to get prepared. That includes you. So, and you want to do the same thing as well. You want your neighbors to get prepared so they don't come knocking on your door for your stuff. You want family members to get prepared so they don't say, oh, we're going to come camp out with you if there's a disaster. You want them to have their own supplies so you can keep your supplies and they don't wind up using the food you have planned for your family, all right? Okay. And to help you out, get these people prepared, I'm going to put some links up here at the end. I'm going to put a link up in this corner for the Prepping for Beginners playlist, and then the Prepping in Private playlist down here. I'm also going to put my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where I do gardening, cooking, and I have some emergency preparedness stuff over there because, hey, homesteaders do prepping too. So I'll put that link up over here, and then I'll put a link to my video talking about my channel memberships. Alrighty, so get everyone else prepared, get food for your animals, and make sure you got everything set so you don't wind up, well, like this.